This is awesome. Oh, you're so heavy. Jackson's is something that you hear about, and it's always been like a dream to come up to one of the Jackson's lodges ever since I was young, because you hear about the name that Jackson's had and the experience, all the big fish, the amazing fishery, and just the beautiful scenery that you get when you're out here.
I was really impressed by the service that Jackson Lodges and Outposts provides. The memory of landing that first 40-plus inch pike and knowing that there's going to be the chance of catching larger fish. I'm going to be remembering this trip for a long time. I'm going to want to come back out here.
We have a wide variety of camps. We can accommodate groups from basically 2 up to 24 people. The outpost camps are basically all set up to hold at least 8 people. There's some larger ones that sleep 12. Then you take the harrops and the amphibians, which are from 16 to 24 people. And again, you can do straight from your basic outpost package where it's basically we drop you off and you look after yourself, or you go to the harrop where there's a camp manager on site, or you can do the amphibian where you get your meals and whatnot provided to you.
The nice thing about Jackson's Lodge and Outposts is it's super convenient. It's pretty much a jump, skip, and a hop from Lac du Bonnet. It's a 30-minute boat plane ride to the outpost here, and the experience that you get and the value for the price, it is amazing.
Long-term goal is to run basically the best fly-in fishing operation there is. And not just the fishing, the outdoor experience, and I feel we're well on our way for that.